Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon, everyone. Well, today I'm going to have a research proposal seminar in the name of the Almighty God and on behalf of the Dean and the Director of Graduate School, Postgraduate School, Tadulako University. I officially declare that the research proposal seminar today opens. Well, today Masita M. Abdul Muttalib, student registered number A1 2224016, is going to present her research proposal draft with the title Improving Students' Reading Comprehension Through the Kahoot Application Classroom Action Research at Grade 8 students of SMP Negeri Sri Manui Satu Atap Satap under supervision of Mohtar Marhum and Pak Dr. Kamaruddin PhD. For the key reviewer, the reviewers or examiners today, first Professor Dr. Haja Sriati Usman, M.Hum, as principal reviewer, and then the co-reviewer is Mem Dr. Haja Hasna, MPD. Well, now let's move on to the presentation session by the candidate. Time is yours.
Thank you very much, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And Honorable Michael Abdul Kamaruddin, SPD, MPD, PhD, and Honorable my reviewer, Professor Dr. Haja Sriati Usman, M.Hum, and the second reviewer is Dr. Hasna, SPD, MPD. Okay. I'm going to present my research proposal. The title is Improving Student Reading Comprehension Through Kahoot Application. And in the background, reading comprehension is very important because it helps students understand text, expand their knowledge, and succeed in their study. But in reality, many of our students find reading in English difficult. A key problem is students limit vocabulary, which makes them depend on translating words one by one instead of understanding the whole meaning of a passage. In addition, they often cannot connect the text to their own knowledge and experience, which limits their ability to inform meaning or interpret the moral lesson. Their reading aloud is also not fluency, as they just focus on pronouncing words that on comprehending the text, and their motivation to read is usually low. Traditional way of teaching, like just reading and answering questions, are not always effective anymore. This is why I propose using Kahoot. Kahoot can return the reading activities into fun and interactive games. And the problem statement of this research, the first, how can the integration of Kahoot as a game-based learning platform improve the students' skill of grade 7 students at SMP Negeri 3 Manui Satap? And the second statement is, can the use of Kahoot increase students' learning motivation? And these questions are important because they will determine whether Kahoot can be a really solution for the challenges students face. And for the objective of this research, based on this problem, the objective of my research are clear. The first is to improve students' reading comprehension, especially their ability to find main idea, understanding detail, and make basic inference from the text. The second is to increase their motivation and engagement during reading lessons by making use of Kahoot. So this study does not only aim for better test results, but also for a more enjoyable classroom experience. And for the scope of this research will be limited to investigating the use of Kahoot as a digital game-based learning platform to improve reading comprehension among grade 8 students of SMP Negeri 3 Menulisata, a junior high school located in a remote area. The studies primarily focus on the level of literal comprehension, which includes the ability to identify main ideas and recognize supporting detail explicit and safe in the text. In addition, the research explores students' motivation and engagement in reading lessons through the integration of Kahoot. And the next is significance of the research. This study is expected to bring benefits for different groups. For teachers, it provides a fresh and creative teaching strategy. For students, it can make reading more interesting and less stressful, which in turn builds their confidence. For school, it supports the use of technology in classroom, which in line with the current demands of digital learning. And for future researchers, the study can add more evidence to the field and game-based learning, especially in improved reading comprehension. And the next, the previous study. The first previous study by Lisni Yanti et al. 2023. Kahoot improved comprehension in high school. And second, by Rohima and Muslima 2021, show that students have very positive perception of using Kahoot. And the third, by Aprilia et al. 2023, also found that Kahoot improved narrative text comprehension in junior high school students. And this is the last is similarly Manurung and Sari 2023 report significant improvement in comprehension. And Maharani et al. 2022 show that students post-test score were higher after using Kahoot. These studies strengthen my belief that Kahoot can also be effective in my research content, which is grade 8 students. And the next is about literature review. According to the literature, reading is not just about recognized words. It involves several important skills such as vocabulary knowledge, fluency, and comprehension. To help students develop these skills, teachers often use strategies like pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading activities. At the same time, Kahoot as a game-based tool provides interactive quizzes that are fun and competitive. Give students instant feedback by combining this reading strategy with Kahoot. I believe that students will not only improve their reading skills, but also feel more motivated to engage with the lesson. And research design. For the research design, I will use classroom action research based on Canvas. This method is very suitable because it allows me to improve teaching step by step through cycle. And each cycle consists of 4 stages. First, planning, after that action, and then observation, and the last is reflection. First, I will plan the lesson and prepare the Kahoot quizzes. Then I will apply them in the classroom. Next, I will observe student response and collect data. And finally, I will reflect on the result to see what works and what needs improvement. If I will continue to the next cycle to make the teacher more effective. Okay, and instrument and participant. To collect the data, I will use several instruments. Reading comprehension test will measure the student progress. Observation checklist and field notes will help me record what happens in the classroom. And reflection sheets will allow me to evaluate my own teaching. And questionnaire will capture student opinions about the use of Kahoot. Participants of this study are grade 8 students who are at the stage where they need a lot of support in developing their reading comprehension. The participation will give me a clear picture of how Kahoot influence both their comprehension and their motivation. And thank you very much for your attention. Yeah,
Well, that's it. A very fascinating presentation by the candidate, Nasita M. Abdul Talib. And now we are going to move on to the next session, that is first questions time. I would like to invite the floor, your colleagues, the participants, to give some feedbacks or raise questions. Well, do you have any questions or comments? Jangan-jangan semua kuah. Asal tidak kolusi.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I saw that one of your instrument is reflection sheet,
Yeah.
right? So what's the difference with observation sheet or observation checklist?
Okay.
Thank you.
My collaborator teacher.
Observation checklist.
The difference between observation and reflection.
When I conduct, when I teaching in the classroom, and for reflection in the last of the activities.
Okay, good. I would like to invite Professor Dr. Haja Sriati Usman. Her expertise in TPEC, technology in language teaching. Yeah, so she is very keen to and very, very knowledgeable, trustworthy in this regard. Time is yours, Prof.
Thank you very much, the chairperson, Bapak Bersanus Intermaru PSP, to invite me for having comments and questions to Masita M. Abdul Muttalib. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Congratulations, Masita M. Abdul Talib. You have completed your research proposal. Hopefully that you can answer my 100 questions. As what Pak Muhammad just said now, related to the application that you are going to use for improving reading comprehension, through Kahoot application. Could you show me how will you apply Kahoot application in your classroom in order to make us sure that you really know how to apply this application?
Okay, for the first, before I I introduce the code application for my students, and the next I show the code application, and I will show you the application.
Yeah. You have to be ready with this application before you conduct
Oh,
your
yes.
research. Will you apply this in while activities or in free activities?
In well activities.
Okay. Suppose that we are in well activity and then you directly play the application of food. In order to improve reading comprehension. Yeah, how can Kahoot improve reading comprehension of grade 8 students of SMK di Mandiri Satap? Yeah, actually I'm ready with the Kahoot.
I will introduce this application for my students.
Yeah.
And before I give the question from Kahoot, I will my students the text, the narrative text. But before introduce this application, I play together with my students like that for introduce this application. This is just for introduce and make they have fun with this application.
I'm going
Yes,
to
the
learn
student-
narrative text, yeah,
Yes.
to understand.
But this is for introduce and make they I play game with them before we come to the
So, let's say we are your students.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that.
You instruct. How will you instruct?
Uh,
Well,
They,
students, suppose that we are your
because
students.
I
then
think my student is a more
apa? Cleverer, or familiar.
yes. They
have been
also
familiar.
they like play games, so they know. But
Oh, they like playing game.
Yeah, okay.
Playing game.
How will you instruct? Well, student, now please.
Okay, now please scan the barcode
Scan
from
the
your
barcode,
handphone camera, and then they scan. After they scan, will show like that, and they can read their name. After the students join in my game,
You're the students.
yes.
They practice to, they are your students, and then they practice to scan. Then they, if it is not done well, I'm
Bisa?
worried that it can be
Sini, sini,
active.
sini.
Can be active again. And this is the way the student to scan the barcode. Nah, itu kan that's disadvantage apa? The advantages and disadvantages. You have to provide in your this is my list of itu.
Yes, ma'am.
It wasting time.
Okay, can I?
Okay, go. Okay, name 3. then
Quiz.
go.
Indonesia is and this is for students. They can choose based on the
Time limit.
time.
Kita 3-0.
Selamat datang. This is true or false?
Ayo, jawab lebih.
Soalnya aku saya.
True. Oh ya, 15 minutes. Everything second.
How
How
are
are
you?
you? I'm fine. And
Ah, oh, oke, oke, oke. Oke, sekali bisa dia lagi bisa.
saya bisa terus.
Real name.
Yes.
Sorry ya Den.
Bisa jadi dilalah ya nah.
Iya, oke. Kinds of plants are
Read it now. And which one is
the narrative text.
so how are you?
Happy and enjoyable with learning activities.
Okay, and then how?
And then after that, I will give them the narrative text. After that, I give them some minutes for reading the text. And after they reading the text,
You provide them with hard copy of text.
yes, a hard copy,
Okay.
just hard copy.
What type of text?
Narrative
Narrative text. Okay.
text. And after they already read the text, I give them the text from the Kahoot. Like that.
Yeah. Okay. After they read the narrative text, suppose that you mention in your lesson plan the hour or minutes, yeah, each step. You may provide also in your teaching outline, yeah. Read the narrative text, they come to play game. Okay. Siap bergabung. Game. So, Nama, ya, kids.
And the student can choose in their own
Yeah, okay.
answers.
Suppose they answer Timon. Who have what giving her the number still? Giant. Okay. Then,
And like the second question is
suppose the first answer. Papan stone. What came out of the cucumber that grew for? What came out of the cucumber that grew from the seed?
baby girl.
Baby girl. Ini buat betul semua namanya kan, because there is a picture. Okay, so you provide your assessment or formative assessment with using which one?
The Legend of Sainoa Island and Sainoa Island there are
Sainoa Island, created by Anggun.
Yes.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
I also asked my
You are
students
creator,
for
eh?
sorry, story based on their own hometown.
Yes.
My other student of university. Yeah. I know they still be as a group project.
Fantastic, eh? You are able to create
Yeah.
a media, learning media.
Students also can create it. The story.
Okay.
Okay, oral reading comprehension. Okay, so, but you also state in your research proposal that not only literal reading comprehension, because you state here that your student will also answer the main idea. You know that the main idea is implicit answer, implicit, yeah, it's not the stated in the narrative text. So what is the main idea after they reading the whole story? Then you come to ask them with the main idea. Is it literal comprehension or inferential reading comprehension or critical reading comprehension? Inferential reading comprehension. So you may state in the scope of your research two types of reading comprehension that you are going to measure, inferential and literal reading comprehension. Itu limited in your scope. Okay. How many number of tests will you provide for your students?
10.
Huh? Only 10? Not only 10, yeah, because you may provide them with objective test, with certain number of, certain number. Say for example, objective test not only multiple choice, but also there must be true and false, matching test, yeah. Take for example, 10 number for matching test, 10 number for completion test, or multiple choice, yeah. And then 10 number for true and false. That's the way to compose a test based on Brown and Douglas suggestion. Brown and Douglas, yeah, how to test reading comprehension of the students. Okay, what else? How many cycles will you plan for improving?
2 cycles.
Yeah, according to
Yes.
McTaggart theory, proposed by chemist and McTaggart, 2 cycles. But if how many meetings in each cycle?
3 meetings.
3 meetings only. I suggest you 4 meetings, excluded evaluation. So 3 meetings for teaching. For the 4 meetings you have evaluation. So if you move to if your teaching have not meet the criteria of KKTP, apa kriteria tujuan pembelajaran KKTP, ya? Kriteria ketuntasan tujuan pembelajaran, you may move to the second cycle. Okay, so what is the criteria of KKTP at your school?
In my school, for grade 7, the KKTP is 75.
Okay. You also mentioned that in your research problem that you're going to find out the student motivation, but you have not provided the theory of students' motivation here. Yeah, you may consult to your supervisor, yeah. And then if you want to measure the student motivation, you have to provide the questionnaire or interview related to motivation, learning motivation. You have you it? In what page of your?
For the students, students with the questionnaire.
Yeah, which one? Student with the questionnaire, page 46.
46.
Okay, I enjoy it. Yeah, did you create this feedback questionnaire by your own, or you adapted from someone? Did you create this questionnaire by yourself, or you were inspired by one expert?
I just
Copy
based
from
on my
based on your own
yes.
and learning English reading to Kahoot maybe more motivative. Yes, so you have to refer to one expert, the theory of motivation, yeah, especially for learning theory. Learning motivation, motivasi belajar. Nah, apakah motivasi belajarnya encouraged by the students themselves, or by extrinsic and intrinsic motivation, yaitu outside of their, if they were encouraged by the English teacher, it means that their learning motivation because of the teacher, English teacher, encouraged by the English teacher. Well, I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Professor Dr. Suryati Usman, for very thoughtful feedback, suggestions, recommendations, and inspiring questions as well. Now, I would like to invite next reviewer, Ma'am Dr. Hasna, MPD. Time is yours. Waalaikumsalam.
Actually, you are the student whom I review, but mistake everything actually. So I hope that you have known about my situation when you attend Siti Saleha and Lulus proposal. So I hope that you follow my situation here, so that I will not explain in detail. But I just would like to that even though you have set your nervous all sentiment at the left and follow up, and also the right side and also the bottom. But I suggest you that you have to put the cursor and then press enter on your keyboard in order that after the last line go to the next page, and then to make sure that the last line should be exactly presented from the bottom. So you have to make sure that, because so you have to press enter on your keyboard, and then until the last line go to the next page, and then you decrease one space in order that exactly so the position of the last line exactly is just like also the paper page, okay. So and then I hope that in order to save the paper, that you to save the paper and then make you easy to write the piece of proposal. So I hope that every line should be start from the full centimeter side.
Lagi musim.
In order to differentiate between among the subject yeah, you just use difference figuring out the number. So and then please be consistent in using the subject based on the same level. So you have to use number one and with parentheses. One parentheses, okay. And then for the four levels, you use alphabet. Okay. Yeah. Actually, your item here is interesting because reading comprehension, teaching foreign language. Yeah. So reading comprehension, reading is the best way to teach the student foreign language. Because foreign language, we have to provide the student written form, and then also we pronounce. We read aloud, we ask the student to read, and then they can listen how to pronounce the words, and also how to understand the paragraph by connecting between two sentences and two paragraphs. Yeah, so I think it is good. Yeah, because it is reading comprehension here. So you can teach the student interpretive skill. Yeah, you can teach the student listening. Yeah, even writing. Yeah. So
Even you start with typing, yes, that's right.
Look at the way how to write, and then you give or you give the example how to pronounce. Yeah. Okay. And then also here you just tahu. Yeah, but actually I am what is it? I'm worried. There is no internet connection.
Is there any internet connection?
In Morowali, every school has
Yeah,
smartphone.
Oh, really?
Rich.
Oh, Elon Musk.
Yeah.
It's
They are
more-
rich. The people in Morowali.
It's more sophisticated. The
Okay, so school have this
Starlink,
And
satellite.
Institution.
and the school must have it.
Internet, yeah.
Yeah.
It's moderate institution.
Yeah.
It's faster than
I believe.
Telkomsel.
Yes. But also the second thing you have to make sure that all of the students have handphone. Yeah.
If the student don't have handphone, in my school have tab.
Chromebook.
Yes,
Yeah.
tab and Chromebook.
What? Provide by
Based on the number
government.
of the students. Based on
Ay,
the number.
Kementerian
Yes,
Dikbud.
because my student just little.
How many number of students?
About of all my students about 27.
And how many number of Chromebook do you have? Or tab?
Chromebook about 15
Mhm.
and
Tab?
tab about 10.
Mm.
And I know my students have a handphone.
Yeah.
Easy. Okay, good. Yeah, but we provide the student hard copy, with the basic or the copy that you are going to teach.
Yes.
So you provide the student the hard copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, it is good because if you only what is it, of the screen. Yeah, it is limited, and also it is not enough for the student because the student should maybe I suggest you that when you want to introduce the student Kahoot, maybe before the class or in the other time, because it will take maybe if you are sure that it is not it will not take in class. So because the time only 45 for 1 hour, yeah. So there are two credit semester. I mean 2 hour, yeah, 2 hours. So 45 plus 45, 90 hours. Yeah. So that's 90 hours. Yes. I'm worried if what is it when you are introducing the Kahoot, it will take time. So,
Spend more
so
time.
ensure that the student have already know before entering the class.
They have been familiar with the code.
Yeah.
As you're based on your own information, right? Hmm. Biasa ya.
Okay, yeah, in impress, learning needs here, okay, compile the student, dimension, prior knowledge, yeah, actually you have to put here how many minutes for each activity, other than, yeah, for each activity you have to provide, how many
Yeah.
minutes for each activity.
Free, while, kalau di kalau applying Kahoot itu kan sudah di activity.
Yes.
Hmm.
For example, here for the prior knowledge, how many minutes will you check the student prior knowledge?
10 minutes.
Minutes. Okay. For example, when you want to teach, visit here, the legend of Kingdom Mass. So, what will you do with the prior knowledge when checking the student prior knowledge?
Prior
In
knowledge
here you said that student have residence in the
applying
Yes.
demo.
I asked the student, do you know about the legend of Minimas? I asked, I will
Provide questions
yes,
Yeah.
related to
Yeah.
related to the text.
Okay.
If they ever know about the legend of Minimas.
Yeah.
Because and I showed them the picture. The picture. What is it? This is
Yeah. Okay. And yeah, but okay, in the main activity here. Sorry, before come to the main activity about the motivation, how will you motivate the student? Page 50 here. But you will not, what is it, you will not increase the student motivation, right? Yeah, but here, you will motivate the student, so, yeah, just only 5 minutes maybe, yeah, or 1 minute.
oh, you can.
Be the motivation, but, so, you have to also implement the page, before you teach, every time you teach, you have to motivate the student
Yes,
before
ma'am.
learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether they can do, what is it, the learning activities, enjoyable, yeah. Enjoyably. Okay, in the main activity here, actually, it is good in the literature review, provide the spec of reading activity, yeah, pre-activity, while activity, and post-activity, yeah. But in this here, you have questions about the step of teaching. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much, and Doctor, for very inspiring questions, very thoughtful feedbacks, valuable. Next, move on to the review from supervisor. First of all, I would like to invite Dr. Kamarudin, PhD, Associate Professor. Time is yours.
Thank you very much. First of all, congratulations, Masuta, for completing the research proposal. And this afternoon you are presenting the proposal into the to the panelists, to the reviewers. Improving students' reading comprehension, right? It should be improving reading comprehension with the Kahoot application. Classroom action research at grade 8 students, so you have double students there, so just you can modify the title later on, no problem. Okay, point number 2, you've got lots of input suggestions from the key reviewers. In the background, since this is classroom action research, okay, so you should highlight the students' learning difficulties or students' learning problems in accordance with your teaching experience, okay? Based on your teaching experience, right? So it's not somebody else's experience, but it is yours. Your experience, right? The background stating that, okay, most of the students have limited reading comprehensions, most of the students have low learning motivations, blah 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 blah. Okay, it is based on your experience, right? Okay, so you didn't actually conduct it. You didn't conduct preliminary research, no, because it is based on your experiences, right? Okay, so that the first point I'd like to highlight, and then point number 2 is the teaching procedure. I think Professor Usman and Dr. Hasna mentioned the teaching procedure. This is a very important part, right? In chapter 2, so that you could actually quote so and so who have used or who have used Kahoot, okay, for teaching reading, okay, so forth. So that they should have the step-by-step teaching procedure. So then you could actually refer, okay, to those who have integrated Kahoot into the learning process, especially reading, okay? Right. And then, so if you have pre, while, post, okay, it is common among the 3 P's, 3 P's teaching procedure, right? The three P's, not 3 P's, yeah, 3 P's. 3 P's. 3 P's, the pre, activity, okay, whilst and post, right? Yeah. Okay. But yes, yeah, PWP, yeah, PWP.
Pace.
Okay. But yeah, especially the you have the pre and core activities, right? Core or main activities. Okay? And the main activities should reflect the teaching procedure of the application or the use of Kahoot, okay, for teaching reading. Okay, right. So then this part is essential. It's important, right? So then it will become your teaching model, right? So that you're going to incorporate into your teaching activities. Okay, okay. And if you do that, I think, and you know well, so I was impressed when you showed how to use the applications online and make sure that it is not, you have not technical problems, okay, as Prof. Usman suggested that Bu Hasna suggested that the students must be familiar, right? Familiar with the Kahoot, right? Kahoot, right? Yes, okay. So if they are not familiar with Kahoot, they will find it difficult to take part into the learning activities, right? So it is not a technical problems. So this is a multimedia media, right? So the purpose of using teaching media is to help the students easily understand the lessons, right? Okay. If we are using a certain medium and it cannot help the students understand the lesson easily, so it is not effective, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is not. So the media should help the teachers to transfer the lessons, okay, and also help the students to easily understand the lessons, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Right? Okay. And then the last point. I have only 3 points. The last point I'd like to highlight is the reading test, reading comprehension test. You haven't provided any reading test because you're to find out if the student's reading comprehension is improved. Okay, you're going to administer the reading test, right? Reading comprehension test. In order to find out, to know if the student's reading comprehension is improved, okay, through the class of action research, and you're going to administer a test by the end of the cycle, right? By the end of the cycle, so you are not having you're not administering pre-test and post-test. No, you're going to test the students, okay, by the end of the cycle, okay, to see to find out if the students' reading comprehension is improved. And you should have the minimum passing grade, okay, or minimum passing level, if you like, MPL or passing grade, right? You said here the classical is 80%.
Yes.
Is it high?
Motivation.
For motivation,
Yes.
Motivation 80%.
80% students have fun
Yeah.
based on motivation.
Okay.
So the using of Kahoot effective for motivation.
80%
80%
achieved by the
students
students.
happy and enjoyable with the Kahoot.
Okay. How are you going to get the data about the student motivation? Is it from questionnaire?
Student questionnaire.
If questionnaire, okay,
Yes.
you could actually calculate the percentage, okay. But if it is the information from the student, the observation checklist, and then you'll not be able to have the percentage.
Yes.
But the questionnaire, yes, okay, you'll be able to have the percentage, okay. Right. So the reading test, right? The reading test items, okay. So then the reading test, okay, the instrument, right? The reading test, and then observation checklist. I think Emma was asking you the reflections sheets and then the okay. It is to collect information about what the students okay says about the use of Kahoot in the learning process, right? Okay. So, well, actually, if it is reflection sheet, so you could have the questionnaire items. Okay. So 2 research questions. Okay. So you're going to find out to answer how the use of Kahoot. Okay.
And
Help the students improve their reading comprehension, and number 2, how the motivation. Okay, so those two points that you're going to see. That's it, and then you'll have your thesis and your MPD. All right. Okay. All right. Yes. I think that's it from me. Okay. Thank you very much. Over to the chairperson.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Kamarudin, for
My pleasure.
very valuable recommendations, suggestions, thoughtful feedbacks. Thank you. And inspiring questions. Last but not least, please allow me to give you feedbacks. This is seminar, so we are all supposed to give you feedbacks. Later on in the thesis examination, we are going to be asking you as many as possible, as many questions as possible. Okay, first of all, I really appreciate your topic of research studies. It has novelty content. You are dealing with the use of technology, digital technology. Actually, it is associated with TPEC, technological, pedagogical, content knowledge, and the expert is Profesor Usman. Kalau di luar negeri orang menyebut profesor dengan second name, family name. Okay, it's very fascinating when you demonstrated how to use Kahoot, Kahoot, yeah? And then you use sophisticated technology, yeah? Using barcode, scanning. So, as far as I'm concerned, that the use of scanning and use of barcode when we go to mall and then buy shopping, do shopping, and our goods must be scanned using barcode. Question from Professor Usman and Doctor. What we are concerned about is the strengths and weaknesses, yeah? the advantages and disadvantages of using technology. Yeah? Azan chanting. Yeah? We need to stop for a few minutes listening to the Azan chanting. Okay, now everybody is concerned with the use. We rely much on technology, and the technology, especially energy, power cut, and then poor signal. But I was, to my surprise, you mentioned that you've got Starlink. Starlink is, satellite, belongs to Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. Yeah. Starlink, even in the jungle, in the forest, in the middle of it, you can use it because it's just use Starlink, no BTS. It's much faster than the normal one here we use. So that's very good.
So we don't
So you don't worry about the use of digital technology since you have Starlink owned by Elon Musk. Yeah? Okay. You've got some feedbacks from students in the form of questionnaire sheet and reflection sheet. Could you tell us briefly about those two feedbacks? The students are supposed to provide
their motivation and
reflection.
the way of
Yeah.
the teacher.
And if we talk about motivation, Profesor Haji Brown, soalnya tertulis itu H Brown, jadi saya padahal orang bule yang kebetulan belum mualaf, tapi karena saya sudah sebut Haji Brown, H Brown, saya tidak tahu mungkin Henry ya, Henry, tapi karena saya lihat H, seperti saya selalu ditulis H juga. Tapi motivation recommended by Haji Brown, Professor Haji Brown, H Brown. If I know the second, there are two types of motivation: instrumental motivation and
Intrinsic and
Yeah.
extrinsic. Intrinsic and extrinsic.
instrumental motivation and integrated motivation, integration. And then we have the other motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. So the important things,
Susu dulu, Sir. Have your
ya, Pak Komar sebelum, kalau orang bilang susu apa, ngopi di mana aja tapi nyusu di rumah. Ngopi di warkop di mana. Oke, jadi reflection dengan questionnaire. Di questionnaire berapa orang yang akan respondennya? Siswanya berapa orang?
It is
All students, yeah, all students.
My participant about
Tapi karena saya lihat close ended, kalau close ended itu dia bukan, kalau yang open ended sama dengan interview open ended itu kualitatif, tapi dia kalau close ended jawabannya structure sudah ada di situ ABCD. Kalau yang open ended kan dia kayak wawancara, silakan jawab apa saja sesuai tema, tidak structure, but semi structure and open ended. Ya, oke, itu saja. Tahu saya. Reflection and next qualitative data analysis. You've got success of classroom will be evaluated using students improvement reading comprehension. And then apa KKM ini? Criteria of success. KKM.
Yes.
Ya, berapa? 7,75. 70 80%. You tulis ini at least 80%.
80% for motivation.
So ada motivation. How will you know your motivation? Bagaimana? Ada melalui measurement, pengukuran?
Based on student feedback questionnaire.
Oke, berarti kuantitatif dia harus ya, terukur ya, measure. Questionnaire nanti dikembalikan oleh siswa. Ya, data berapa persen motivasi. Oke, well, you need to fix your references, tidy it up, kasih rapi. Karena si ada saya lihat kayak masih kan guru besar semua, bisa barangkali disesuaikan dengan model penulisan based on the referencing technique ya, penulisan. Well, that's it. Now back to the chairperson. Thank you everyone, especially the key reviewer, Pak Ibu Prof, Prof and Ibu Doktor, and everyone, Pak Komar, Pak Dr. Komar, PhD, all colleagues here, as participants
Yeah.
who have raised questions and give comments, feedbacks, and provided some foods and drinks, and foods, fruits, and drinks. Very yummy, and we really very appreciate your generosity. Well, that's it. Do you have any? Are you happy with the puas? Okay.
Any question?
Do you have any question?
Mm.
No.
Yeah, so far so clear.
Yeah. So far so good. Yeah. So far so clear. Well, that's it. In the name of the Almighty God and on behalf of.
We
Oh yeah.
accept.
We need to announce the result before we close the. So
To me and find
the reviewer.
Sudah.
Sudah no?
Okay.
I would like to invite Pak Muhammad to
So this is just
announce the
just
result.
the minutes of the
Yeah, the minutes.
research proposal seminar. The proposal of the candidate is accepted with conditions. Conditions
Give a big applause.
revised as suggested. Yeah, suggested by the reviewers. Okay. How long would you need to revise it? 1 year? 2 weeks. Okay. Okay. 2 weeks.
The sooner the better.
The
Yeah.
sooner the better, right?
As-
And no more seminar, research proposal seminar. Okay, you can proceed
Okay.
to the next level.
Oh,
Okay,
minor
to conduct
correction. Minor correction.
corrections. Okay, to conduct your research.
Okay.
proposal.
Just to make sure, you have jotted down all the suggestions, recommendation, corrections from all reviewers, and also questions from your colleagues. Well, that's it. In the name of the Almighty God, and on behalf of the Dean and the Director of Graduate School, I officially declare that the research proposal seminar today closes. Thank you very much.